Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to fetch the past 10 years of dividends, buyback, stock splits data from NSE using Python. Okay, just as usual, let's go to the NSE website first. Okay, and under NSE website, you have to go to an option called list in the menu. And under list menu, you will see corporate filings and you will see corporate actions menu over here. Okay, so you have to click on that first. So corporate actions actually defines all the dividends and all the stock splits that are being done in the stock market, and it will actually give you the historical figures of how much dividend, how much stocks split and all has happened throughout the history. Okay, so it's actually in a really good structured format over here. What we are going to do is we're going to get this link and we're going to fetch it directly in Python. Okay, and before that, let me show you the example over here. Here we are showing only like limited number of records. So let's first get the URL ready over here. Okay, so let's click on F12 first so that we can see the URL request which is going on. Okay, and let's click on 1 year of data. Once I click on 1 year of data, I will be able to see a HTTP request going over here, and I will be able to see all the header details over here. These header details will be important to fetch the data, and here is the data in the raw format. Okay, so let's get this data into Python. Okay, and let's open a Visual Studio Code editor, and over here what we are going to do is we are going to import the necessary packages first. Okay, so let's import the packages, and once we are done importing the packages, what we are going to do is we are going to create a headers variable. Okay, in the headers variable we are going to actually fill in all the details we saw in the dev tools. So let's go to headers detail over here, and let's get the cookie, we updated cookie. Okay, and once we got the updated cookie over here, let's update the value, and you can actually find all the values I mentioned over here in the developer environment. Just spend some time and get all the details into it. Okay, so once you have created the header variable, let's actually give the URL. Okay, so how to fetch the URL? The URL is actually over here. So when you clicked on 1 year of data request over here, the DevTools actually has given us this HTTP request. So what we are going to do is we're going to copy this URL. We're going to paste it in the Python environment, and we're going to create a URL variable. Okay. Yes. So now what we are going to do is we're going to simply edit the date over here. As you can see over here, it's actually getting the past 1 year of data. So it's from 2023 to 2024. But what I need is I'm going to need 01, I mean January 1st, 2023 instead of 2023. Let me give 2013. So it's going to nearly fetch 10 to 11 years worth of data. Okay. So this is how the URL should be framed, and we have the URL also ready. And once we have the URL ready, we are simply going to just get the data. Okay. So we're going to create a response variable. Let's throw a request and get the value. Let's use the URL and the headers variables we have created. And once you click on enter, it is going to send the request and get the data. So it has hardly taken like 4 seconds, and we got the data. Okay. So now the data will be in like unreadable JSON format. So we're going to actually convert it into a readable data frame. Okay, let's create a corporate actions variable and convert the response into a data frame. Okay, so yeah, I have done it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply just do a head variable. I'm sorry, head command. And once I do a head command, I will be able to see all the details I saw in the NSE website over here. Okay. So now you have the past 10 years worth of data information in the in your Python environment. Okay, so let's check how many corporate actions has been done. Okay, let's just do a small shape. 23,000 dividends, stock, general meetings, stock splits, literally every information. You have like nearly 23,000 plus records of corporate actions with you, and we have gotten it within like 5 minutes. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So if you are someone who is actually interested in stock market, please subscribe and like this video, and you follow this video, actually follow this channel for uh, keeping yourself updated. So you will be really impressed to see the amount of free data you can get and the amount of analysis you can do with the tools we have. Okay, thank you.